Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products, the 265 pounds the ice makers. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's overall depth about like 17 inches. And the overall height will be 35 inches. The length about like 21 and 7/8 inches. So actually the unit's having everything built in together. You see the coils at the front, compressor at the bottom, also the ice bin with it. They have a controller right here. All the setup buttons you can see right here. And you can open the lids, you can see the ice maker will drop the ice when this full. They have a water drain at the bottoms. And let's take a look at the back side. The back side of the units, you can see we have stickers right here. They have a UL, ETL certification approvals, and all the car sheets informations, power information right here. And when you're looking down the bottoms, the water intakes from this side, and the drain, they goes out waters from this side. And also, we're having the standard 110 plugs from the units coming with directly. Okay, all the accessories, they coming from the manufacturers. Have the two pipes right here for the connections. And also the connectors, we have one for here. All the accessories, they all coming from the manufacturer, include the units. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.